Here's a nice little haul for the day. I was sitting at home doing nothing. Decided to come to this local pond. It's the same pond that I actually got that carrot stick rod at not too long ago. The Benchmade 940. They wanted 75 bucks for it. They brought it out the 29th of last month. I ended up paying $57, which brought it to $61.70. This is like a $240 knife, guys. Benchmade Osborne. Other than being a little worn, it's not too terrible. The biggest thing on it is the tip is a little bit broke off, but I think I can sharpen that out. In either case, if I can't, I'll send it to Benchmade, and they'll probably either sharpen it or put a new blade on it. There are still deals to be had. Benchmade 940